In this video, I will show you how to color grade in Adobe Premiere. We have a colored clip here. To color grade or make the clip look more vibrant, adjust the color through Lumetri Color. To open Lumetri Color window, go to Window and enable Lumetri Color. To make the clip color more impressive, first is select the video clip and adjust the temperature, saturation, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. The effect depends on your adjustments. Look on the difference. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!